Help! I need scissor parts. Why don't you have them? Who has them? Let me answer that question. Each year we look at things we want to do special in our business. 2 years ago we said we wanted to be the foremost company for offering shear parts. We ordered from a lot of different places. I think at the time we got up to about 5 or 8 different companies, different places around the world to bring in parts. And now we've narrowed it down to 3. And the parts that come in are inconsistent. Now, if we have that trouble with the volume we're getting in, it's really difficult if you order from other places and get in a huge amount, and there'll be some parts you'll need and some that you won't. I talked to someone on the phone today. The screw fell apart. He needed a part to replace it, put his shears back together. We didn't have it. I told him I don't know where to get it. I told him he can send the shears to me. I can look through my little collection of hordes of parts and see if I happen to have something that'll fit, but it's maybe iffy. Today, we got in a shipment of insert rings, the little rubber rings. All the sizes were wrong. We got in bumpers. We now have a new bumper size because the small was even smaller than our small. The medium was the size of the old small, and the large was the size of our old medium, kind of, sort of, and the one we were out of, the large, none came in at all. So this is why we can't always supply you with the parts you need. We try. That's been a very high priority for us. If you're a sharpener, I suggest that you never run out. Always keep a few ahead. That's what we try to do. And understand you cannot ever have all the parts you're going to need and come across, and you really shouldn't try to stock all of them. Stock what you find are the most common in your area. And remember, on bumpers, for instance, the little rubber part, the bumpers, these things, they're screw-in bumpers, pull-through bumpers. We have a whole video on that. Get a little bit larger than you think usually, because you can always cut them down. And that's why the extra small that came in today is not anything what we needed. But I'm sure some of you might want it. If there's some parts that we don't carry that you need, that you're finding your need, put it down in the comments section. We'll try to get those to you. Some parts we can get in very limited numbers, so we don't even advertise them on our website. And if there's some specific parts that you're looking for, put it down below. But if you can't find parts, there's some suggestions in my DIY Shear Care and Repair. They'll show you some things to do to get by. And please subscribe. I plan to have videos out on a weekly basis.